Welcome to my instructional video, how to make a healthy fish dinner. Today I used carrots, potatoes, crown of broccoli, bulb of garlic, 3/4 pound of catfish, and 8 large shrimp. So today we're going to start by peeling the carrot and the garlic, chopping all the veggies into the bite-sized pieces, and the fish into strips, as well as peeling and detailing the shrimp. It's easier to do that before it's cooked. Okay, now it's time to start cooking. So we're gonna add butter to the pan, set it to medium-low heat, season all of the ingredients however you want them. Put the veggies in the pan. It's gonna take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. Remove those from the pan, add some more butter, put in the fish. Cook until the fish is completely white throughout. Probably take about 15 minutes for that. Remove from the pan. Then we're going to add the last of the butter and the shrimp. Cook and flip as needed to get a full cook, probably about 5 minutes for this size shrimp, and then remove the pan. Now you're ready to enjoy this delicious and healthy meal.